Mismanagement of the second COVID wave scarred the population and resulted in unprecedented dip in PM Narendra Modi's popularity ratings. With his charisma in question, Modi's latest visit to the United States had to be used for a PR push to counter all the negative publicity. The BJP and the PM, who are good at optics management, attempted exactly that. But did it work? Let's take a closer look. It all began with a photo of Prime Minister Modi working hard on board Air India One while on his way to the United States to attend the UN General Assembly. While some quickly pointed out instances where other prime ministers also worked during such long flights, others talked about in-flight press conferences during such journeys. Close observers on the internet were quick to point out the light that was placed behind the files and questioned if the photo was taken for optics. Even as the BJP was explaining why US President Joe Biden did not arrive at the Joint Base Andrews in Washington, D.C. to receive Prime Minister Modi, they had a lot more to explain over the course of 3 days. Members of the Indian diaspora thronging venues where Modi visits has been a constant affair during all his foreign visits so far. But this time around, the crowd had dwindled. BJP leaders justified the thin attendance, blaming COVID protocol for people not turning out in large numbers. The much-awaited meeting between PM Modi and US Vice President Kamala Harris was emphasized upon, with Harris stressing on the need to defend democratic principles and institutions within India and US. The big focus of the visit, though, was PM Modi's address at the United Nations General Assembly. While the speech touched upon key issues ranging from terrorism to vaccine manufacturing in India, the large number of empty seats did not go unnoticed. Even as the US visit failed to garner the kind of PR dividends that the BJP hoped for, the party did not stop its effort. Upon Modi's return, the party tried to showcase the visit as a major success, and a grand welcome was organized for the Prime Minister in Delhi. The actions of PM Modi soon after landing in India tried to project an image of a man who is in action and in control of things. Stories were being written about how the Prime Minister deals with jet lag and how he attended 20 meetings while being in the US. Later in the evening, Prime Minister Modi reached the new Parliament building construction site unscheduled. The party leaders and the social media went on an overdrive, praising the tireless leader, while the opposition could only ask how the photographers landed up at the under-construction site if it was an unscheduled surprise visit. Whether it's an election or major policies, the BJP tries to create a hawa, and it has attempted the same with the PM's visit to the United States. But it has to be seen if this hawa can drive away pandemic-induced blues. A Federal Report.